Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I want to teach you how to make yogurt parfait. This is one of my favorite breakfasts. So I used to do this. I don't take breakfast, that's what I use. So now let's get to it. So obviously you will need yogurt of your choice. The one that I use is vanilla. If you don't like vanilla, you can use plain. I'm just gonna put about half. Then I'm gonna add berries of your choice. Here I have blueberries, wild blueberries, and a strawberry. I'm gonna add more yogurt, berries, and then last but not least, I'm gonna add some granola. The granola that I use is honey almond. Just put it on top. And then, this is optional. I add a little bit of honey. And there you go guys. That's how I make my breakfast, which is the yogurt parfait. So that's it for our today's video guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe it costs you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.